you've used generics. But the moment you try to call a method on T, TypeScript shuts you down. Constraints are exactly the fix. By default, a generic type parameter T is a complete unknown. TypeScript has no idea what properties or methods it has, so it blocks any member access. Constraints solve this by adding a minimum contract. You use the extends keyword to say T must at least have these capabilities. Any type that satisfies those requirements can flow through your generic function, and nothing else. Take this example, a function returning the longest of two items. Without a constraint, TypeScript blocks .length. It cannot guarantee T has it. Define a sizable interface, then write T extend sizable. Now the compiler guarantees T always has length. Strings and arrays both qualify, plain numbers do not, which is exactly the behavior we want. The payoff is compile time type safety. Without constraints, you discover missing methods only at runtime. A crash in production. With a constraint, the compiler rejects incompatible types immediately. The trade-off is you narrow what T can be, giving up some flexibility. But when your logic needs specific capabilities, flexibility without safety is just hidden bugs waiting to surface. Constrain a generic type when you need to call methods or access properties on T trading flexibility for compile time safety. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.